Hey everybody, I'm Andy the Kenworth Guy. Thanks for stopping by today. Very different video for you. I'm at the factory. I'm here with Larry Dick from Jade Transport, and we're just doing a walk around the yard here at Active, looking at some of the new trucks that are coming off the line. So let's see what this is all about. I wonder if you guys can spot your Kenworth truck on here. There's a 100th anniversary. Look at that one. Really did? Is that 100th? Oh yeah.
And a completely different paint.
Yeah, that's cool. Very cool. It's a neat design. Look at that one. That's wild. Do you know that guy?
Must be a German.
Another 100th anniversary here with the moving on. Look at that wild paint scheme. Three color paint, but it's just how it's laid out. It makes it look like it's tons.
The German colors.
That's cool. These are all ready to go. Larry, there's a really nice one over there, that green one, that color.
But we were coming to see us here.
Perfect.
Oh, I like it.
Isn't that sharp?
Beautiful.
Hello.
How you doing?
Great, how are you?
Alright, have y'all signed in with the front office yet?
No, we haven't yet. No.
About going up there and sign in so they can get you your high vis vest. We can better check it out.
Here's some of our future battery electric trucks here. Some T680s, old generation. These are brand new. We still build this cab design for the electric truck. So there's the battery packs there. Very different.
I'm gonna pop the hood, Larry. Wait till you see under the hood.
Nice little W9 day cab here. Hey. Oh wow.
Did you see the row of batteries over here?
That is wild.
We have a heat exchanger, we have a cooling system, we have a heating system on here. We have a system to run the actual air conditioning and the heat. It's... Oh yeah.
Huh. The sound effect that this makes.
Did you videotape them?
Yeah, I did. It's recording right now.
Great.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna break off of the group for a second and walk down W9 alley here. These are most of the 100th anniversary trucks here all lined up. This is kind of like going to a truck show, but it's all Kenworths and all brand new. So that's super cool. So I've called this Kenworth Heaven before, but this is some pretty neat stuff. A T800 wide hood. There's a T800 regular hood with a 72-inch flat. Heavy spec yellow W9 here. There's a 100th anniversary edition. Here's a 100th anniversary edition, red, white, and blue. That's pretty neat. I like that. Hodge built fenders on the back there. LED lights on the back there too. Look at that. Really like this color. This is cool. Yeah, it's pretty neat stuff over here. Oh, that's cool. Look at that paint. It's black and silver with the dark silver in there. That's sharp. That looks nice.
Oh yeah.
That's really sharp.
Look at this here in the light.
Yeah, that looks good. That's legendary silver and legendary gray.
Wow.
By the look of it. Looks really good. Oh, and that's legendary black with the red.
Right.
Yeah.
Boy, that's a beauty.
Gorgeous truck. That's classic. I love that. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Love that paint. Legendary red, legendary black, legendary champagne. Looks really good. It's another 100th anniversary. Not sure which one this one is here. Should be looking at all these numbers. This one is 732. Number 732. Cool. This is the 100th here. Look at the paint. This is all legendary paint colors on there too. Legendary red, black, and
that is gorgeous.
Isn't that classic?
That is gorgeous.
Yeah. That's sharp. This is wild. That is a wild paint design. Wow.
Oh, look where they're going. Quebec. Transport on deck.
Flat glass, flat top. Oh yeah, I walked right past this one.
Yeah, with a painted visor to get out of it.
Yeah.
That's a different take on the day.
Yeah.
It says it in the window.
Well, like I say, it's just kind of like a truck show. Looking at another 100th anniversary. Sparkle gray is what the color is on this one here by the look of it. The main color. Another one here, legendary gray. And there's some big trucks over there. We'll go take a look at that in a second. Look at this one here. This one's cool. I don't know what color's old. That's just like a black, it's probably a sable maybe, I would think. And then you got the 100th paint design on here. Last time I was here, we didn't have the 100th anniversary out, obviously. So we saw a lot more variety of paint designs, but a lot of these are the 100th anniversary here, which is really cool. Which one is this here? This is 725, unit 725. That's cool. Big old butterfly hood C500. Look at how long this wheelbase is, just humongous. There's another one there. Extended day cab, the orange and black one there. Peach W9 Studio, looks cool. Heavy spec day cab logger, another C500 here with a bunk on it. Tri-drive. That's wild. And a big black one. Tandem Tridem. Wow. Let's walk past this one here. Wow. This thing's huge. Like, I'm just standing beside this thing. It's huge. Big tri-drive. Look at the exhaust here. Look at how this is routed. That is wild. Got the DPF SCR back here. The exhaust pipe going up the side of the cab. Wow. Just love seeing all these colors. This is cool. This is a neat truck. I like that. That's cool. We got this blue limited edition here. That blue, that's a really cool blue there. I like that. Then we got the gold.
Color back here.
It's not.
No?
This, oh, that's not legendary blue.
We'll get
That blue is there. Truck here. This is my favorite truck here that I've seen so far today. Look at that color. It's 42 modular bunk. Wow. That is cool color.
There's 82 to your left.
In the frame, 82? Okay. Oh yeah, you can see it.
Oh, yeah.
Flat glass. That is so cool. I love that color. Nicely done. Nice spec. Flat glass, 42 modular bunk. Hot rod this truck right out. Make it look sharp. All right, so we've kind of walked the yard here, and this is the area where all the trucks are decked, so they're all paired up and ready to go, get delivered to the dealers. That is a purple color if I've ever seen one. That's cool, but it's neat to see some of the colors in here. This truck is like pink almost. This looks very close to EBD's color, customer mine. That is wild color. And we have this one here. This is a nice coppery color. That's sharp. There's a truck over here I wanted to see in the lineup. It was green and it was decked up. Looked really nice. Oh yeah, there it is back there. There's a T800 wide hood, big headlight. 100th anniversary right here. Legendary black or Black Century red. But this color here. This one is cool.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Low Pro 24.5s.
That is a cool.
That's a big wagon. I like it.
Like-
Beautiful colors.
Yeah, legendary green is what that. No, because it's darker than that.
Andy, why don't we put that paint job on it?
Let's do it.
So what's with this with the couplers back here?
Okay,
You
that's
guys said crate?
no. There's the black wheels.
Hey.
There's the black wheels.
Oh yeah, this one's got the Durablacks.
So this one has silver with the red.
Yeah, instead of the gold.
Yeah.
There's a sharp blue truck out front here too. This one here, it's got the blacked out rims. Durablacks. This is, I can't see the unit number there. It's covered.
Hey, look how they clamped this little light on here.
Mid-frame just for transport.
Yeah.
That frame color too.
I know, this is sharp.
Uh-huh. All right, well, there's one more 100th anniversary I want to show you guys. It's a beautiful blue up front here. It's got its own custom paint design on it. Looks really sharp. And then I'm gonna sign off. Yeah, it's got the Comanche paint scheme. Looks really cool. Which this is a lead unit. This is unit 705 of 900. So, really nice done. Really nicely done. Looks really good. So there you have it. So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Very different video. I hope the editing of this is going to turn out okay in the end, and that I can hold your attention. I know I didn't do a lot of talking, just lots of walking around looking at different things. So that's it for now. So thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Have the world's best day. All right, so we're back checking in here. I'm not letting you go yet. We're actually downtown Seattle here, and right behind me is the Space Needle. So we're gonna go up and check out the view of Seattle from way up there. So stick around. Just standing on a glass floor. So that's it for real. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. We will see you guys soon, and have yourself the world's